Hi everyone, welcome back, and we are going to start, if I can get this not like this, I'm going to, there you go. We're going to start our discussion about our corrosion lab. This is a very fun, and hopefully very straightforward lab. We are going to be examining an electrochemical cell and actually measuring the cell potential in non-standard conditions. So we're going to be looking at a lot of different metals, basically iron, aluminum, zinc, hopefully a sample of tungsten, or not tungsten, excuse me, of magnesium, hopefully a sample of gold, and we're getting platinum, and we're going to be measuring them relative to copper. So copper is going to be our permanent positive material that's attached to our positive electrode. And we are going to also attach all those other metals relative to copper in our negative electrode. And we're going to see which material is more cathodic, which one is more anodic. That's essentially the goal of our system. So we've been through kind of our theoretical discussion here in the lab. So what we're going to do, and we're going to basically make a similar ranking, but instead of the standard electrode potential, because again, we're going to be measuring our system in seawater, and specifically seawater from Moonstone Beach that I gathered previously. So we're going to measure all of those potentials of our cell relative basically to copper, so we can make essentially this ranking system here. And you'll see that in the excellent student example. So our setup is fairly straightforward. We're going to have copper as our positive, basically electrode. All the other metals as our negative electrode. We're going to have our beaker with salt water. We're going to connect to our National Instruments MyDAC device, which is going to be controlled with our Python script to measure that voltage. We are going to save that data, export it, and we're going to analyze it with our laptop. Very fun, very straightforward experiment. And then we'll see how the different materials behave in non-standard conditions. So these are not, again, we're not measuring it in a 1 molar solution of its own ions. We are measuring it in Moonstone Beach seawater. There's going to be some impurities. There's going to be some salt. So non-standard conditions, and we're going to look at those relative rankings. So we'll see you in the next video when we actually show you how to do the experiment, and then in our analysis video. So see you then. Thanks. Bye.